Hi all. In this video, we are going to see an option on how to update Mellanox drivers on Windows Azure VMs with old drivers. You may be aware that Azure VMs can benefit from better networking performance using Azure Accelerated Networking. At the time this video is being recorded, Azure uses Mellanox Connect X3 and Connect X4 network cards on the Accelerated Networking solution. If you have VMs with Accelerated Networking enabled, and your patch management process is not checking for updates for these cards, your VMs may be running on old drivers. One important point to notice here is that Azure's documentation states that we need to have drivers that work with Mellanox Connect X3 and Connect X4. Meaning that, depending on the host where the VM starts, the VM could be using Mellanox Connect X3 or Connect X4. If we stop deallocate the VM and start it again, redeploy or resize, the VM could start on a different host with a different network adapter than before. It means that we should update both drivers, the Mellanox Connect X3 and the Connect X4, on the VM. In this lab, we are going to extract the drivers from a new Azure VM and import them on a VM with old drivers. We are going to get these drivers from a new Azure VM because Microsoft maintained these images and have tested these drivers. We are going to use Windows Server 2016 OS in our lab. Here we can see all the latest drivers inserted on the Windows driver store. These are Mellanox drivers from 2020 and 2021. We are going to export them into a folder. And zip it. Copy them to the VM with the old drivers. And extract the zip file. Here we can see the old drivers that came with the old VM. These are Mellanox drivers from 2017 and 2018. We are going to backup them into a folder, in case we need recover them. Now we have two folders on this machine, with new and old drivers. The next step is to remove all the old drivers. No more drivers here. Now we are going to import the new drivers. The command will use the folder and the subfolders where we extracted the new drivers. Now all the new drivers are here. On the Windows Device Manager, we can see that the Mellanox network adapter is using the new driver. Same thing to the Mellanox bus card. Now the Mellanox drivers are updated. Quick and simple. I hope this is helpful.